we're going to again show the 3D data in a video format, and in this case we're going to use FIJI to do a very simple rotation around one of the axes. For this example we're going to use the OMX3D.data. So again you can see the two channels down through Z. In this case we're going to use something under the stack window which is called 3D project. Okay, so again you can play around with some of the parameters here, for example the axis of rotation, slice spacing is the step sizes that your data was acquired with, so this is a super res data set, so it was acquired with step sizes of 120 nanometers. In this case we're going a whole 360 degrees, so 0 to 360, and we're doing it in 10-degree increments. We're going to end up with 36 frames to go through that 360 degrees. I'm going to show you quickly what happens if you don't hit the interpolate button. You will see a problem with the data that's generated. So let's click OK. You'll see it's going through those 36 rotations. And now if I make this image a little bit larger, if I hit play, you should see a problem when we hit the side view of the data. Yeah. So FIJI isn't working very well in terms of putting together this data set in that Z direction. So we don't want to show a video like that. So let's go back to the stack menu and do that again. Where are we? 3D project. In this case we're going to hit this interpolate button and hit OK. So there's the exact same settings apart from that interpolate button, and hopefully you'll see now that the movie that we generate looks much better. So FIJI is just filling in the gaps, that missing information in between those Z. Again, we've only got 36 frames here, so at 10 frames a second it's only taking 3.6 seconds to do the rotation. That might be a bit quick for what you need, so you might want to go to 7 frames a second, slow it down a bit. The key thing here is you need enough time to talk about the biology as the movie is playing. Yeah? And obviously you don't want to make your audience sick as well. Once you're happy that you've worked out what your frames per second are, again, we're going to go in File, Save as an AVI. With no compression, let's stick with the 7 frames a second, click OK, and then we can save that data.